How to change text size on Zangi. Hi guys, it's Mikran. Today I am going to guide you how to change text size on Zangi. Changing text size on Zangi is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Zangi app. Launch the Zangi app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Go to Setting. In the menu, select Setting. Find the text size option. Look for an option related to display, appearance or text size. The exact wording may be different based on your app version. Adjust text size. Once you find the text size setting, you may see option to increase or decrease the text size. Use the provided slider or button to adjust the setting size to your preferences. Save your changes. If prompted, make sure to save your changes before exiting the setting. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change text size on Zangi. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.